Hey dragons, notice anything about my face? Yeah, not too much paint because only one of you guys did our art assignment last week. Come on. I hope that more of us participate this week. It's a short week. I think this will be a fun project, although I think all projects are fun. Michael, shout out to you for doing our assignment last week. Great job. You chose red, so I am wearing my red paint on my face. I feel like a little warrior. I feel like my warrior paint. So first off, I hope everyone's staying healthy. I hope you're having a good time at home. Keep it on top of your remote work. Today, we are going to be making cute little penguins. They're so cute. So we're gonna make some cute little penguins. Again, we would have painted these in school, but you don't have class with me this week because you're remote learning. So you can use markers or crayons or whatever you have at home. So we are gonna start. You need a piece of paper and a pencil at the very least. We're gonna look at our paper vertically, like mine up here, long way up and down. And we're gonna start to the left of your paper. We're gonna start with the first penguin wearing a sweater. So for that, we are going to start by making two long curved lines. Again, we are making our penguin with a sweater first. We're gonna connect it at the bottom. We're gonna make two little curved lines at the top for the neck of the sweater. We're gonna make a line connecting the tops. And because the sweater can kind of bunch up at the top, we're going to make a line with some little vertical lines to show that it's tight around our penguin's neck. We're going to make a little hill coming out of one side of your sweater neck to the other. We're going to draw a triangle pointing down for the beak. To make the black part of our penguin's head, we're going to start on one side of our beak and go up and then down, up and then down on the other side. And you can give your penguin whatever type of eyes you would like. You don't have to do my type of eyes. So I'm going to do like little closed cartoony eyes. Down here we're going to give our penguin some feet. So I'm just going to do W's for the feet. And for the sweater, you can decorate your sweater however you want. I'm just going to do a quick little pattern. Again, whatever you want to do for your sweater. Alright, we're going to draw his wings popping out of his sweater. Alright, after our first penguin is done, we're going to move on to the second penguin. And we're going to draw the penguin's scarf to start. So, two little curved lines. They're going to kind of look like parentheses. We're going to connect the tops and the bottom. We're going to make a big U from one side of our scarf to the other. Now, if your penguin touches your first penguin, that's totally cool. If it doesn't touch your first penguin, also totally cool. So from one side of your scarf to the other, we're going to draw the head popping out of the scarf. We're going to draw the triangle pointing down. Same thing with the black side of the head, or the black part of the head. And going up and then down. You can make whatever type of eyes you would like. I'm going to give this one some eyelashes. We need to draw the fins coming down, or the wings coming down on that one. Two penguin feet. We need to draw the little dangly part of the scarf, so we're just going to draw a long and then a short rectangle coming off of our scarf. And you can decorate the scarf however you would like. Alright, now we've got our two cute little penguins. And now you can customize your drawing however you'd like. Maybe you want to give one earmuffs. Maybe you want to give one a Santa hat. Maybe you want to draw a background. You can draw one like an iceberg and make some snow falling. Maybe you want to draw some clouds in the sky. It's totally up to you how you want to customize your penguins, okay? And then once you've got your drawing all set, you can go ahead and color it in. Again, here's my first one that I did with the paint, and I made a cool pattern in the background. So I hope you guys have fun with this project. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Please stay safe, have a happy holiday, and a great new year. Can't wait to see you guys back in school.